Welcome back to the .NET with IoT series. In this video, we're going to see how to boot to desktop and run the Blinky sample. So if you look over here, I already have some connections made to the Raspberry Pi. So first I have a keyboard and mouse connected to the device, and then I have a USB stick which has this code from the GitHub sample repo for LED Blinky. To get started, let's go and copy over our files into a folder on the Raspberry Pi. So this is my USB stick folder. I'm going to move it to the side here. I'm going to open a new folder here. Let's make a folder called Blink. And then I'm going to copy over these files into this new folder. Let's open command prompt now and build our code. So in this video, we're going to be using Docker to run our code on the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to go into my folder. Let's make sure our files are still there. And let's do a Docker build. Oh, no. And now you can see Docker is running through the steps in the file. It's installing .NET Core, and then it's going to follow through the steps in the Docker file. So now that our Docker build is complete, let's run it. So we're going to Docker run. We have to give the device permission to access the GPIO pins. And then I'm going to say run. And then as you can see, the sample is running and our LED code is blinking. So in this video, we learned how to run the Blinky sample in boot to desktop mode on your Raspberry Pi. Join us in our next video where we're going to walk through the LED Blinky sample code.